Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to save a design in Canva. So first of all, I'm going to create a design, by now a presentation, and I'm going to add perhaps a video and a sticker. So in that way I'm gonna be able to differentiate my design. So first of all, you must put a title into your design. So here it says untitled design, so you can change it. I'm gonna name it as test, or you can go to file and now here may click on the pencil and change the name. Okay, this is gonna be test 2. So here there is an option that says save. So automatically Canva save all your designs. Okay, but if you want to be sure of it, just click on save and that's it. Okay, obviously by now if you go back into your homepage in Canva, you're not gonna find your design, but if you refresh this homepage, you're gonna find it. By now I don't have a thumbnail, but there is my design. So if perhaps you want to save your design into a specific folder, you must click on the 3 dots of your design and move to folder. Perhaps you have some folders created, but if not, at the bottom of this menu you have an option to create a new folder. By now this is going to be a test, and add to new folder. Okay, so if you go to your projects, you're gonna find your folders there and your design. So in that way you can save your designs into Canva.